The car factory. BiBi always wanted to know what happens in the car factory. Finally, he decided to have a look-see on his day off. Hey, why don't we join BiBi and check out the car factory together?
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
It's always loud at the car factory. There are a lot of tools and robots. To make sure we don't damage our hearing, we should slip on these headphones. The building process begins with a frame. The frame should be very firm and solid. Has to be strong enough to hold many different parts. Engine, transmission, suspension, and steering. Then comes the carcass. When the car is finished, the carcass becomes car's interior. It fits the driver and his passengers. Finally, they fix the wheels. Without wheels, car wouldn't be able to move.
Suddenly, everything stopped.
Hey, wait a minute, what happened?
And then BiBi noticed that the main cable was off. Perhaps the snap went loose and the cable switched off.
We gotta do something quick. If we won't do something, robots won't be able to make cars anymore. Lucky I got my tools. Alrighty. First of all, we must completely turn off the power supply. But where's the main switch?
Maybe this is it?
Nope. This one's used in case of fire.
Or this?
Nuh-uh. It's a gas pipe.
Then it must be this one.
Woohoo! Yep, that's the power switch we're looking for. Okay. Now that the power is off, we can safely put the main cable back. To do this, we must use the right tool. Now let's see what options we have.
How about the wrench?
Nope, wrench is for bolts and nuts.
What about this tool?
No, that's a clipper. It's for clipping wires.
Then it must be it.
Woohoo! The screwdriver, of course! Let's fix that screw. All done! Let's turn it back up.
Finally, BiBi went on with his tour.
When the carcass is set, they start putting seats. There's one driver's seat and 3 passenger seats. Next step is the doors. Looks like something's missing. That's right, it needs windows. We need a windshield, side windows, and a rear window. Okay, time to fix hood and trunk. Now some finishing touches. Lights and mirrors. That's it! Cool!
And so today, BiBi had a lot of fun at the car factory. Time to go back to workshop. Thanks for the tour, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Trouble with crane. Today, BiBi's going to construction site to make sure all the cars work well. Uh-oh, looks like something bad just happened. It's the truck crane. It's broken. What should we do, BiBi? Can you help?
Of course.
Sure.
Ho!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. Here is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Well. Your winch is broken. Let's get you a new one.
Is this the one?
Nuh-uh. Looks like a yo-yo toy.
How about this one?
This rope is better, but it still's not what we need.
Let's try this.
Yay! Hold on a second. I'll get you a hook. Okay. And now let's see how you can handle it. Hey, wait a minute. There's something wrong with your hydraulic motor. Let's see. You need a new one. Let's get it. So, can you guys see what we need? Right! There it is! Let's fix it, friends! Come on, try and pick something up! Oh, oh no! Okay, put me down! Let's back to work! Whoa! Oh, it's time to build a crane! Are you ready? First, we should do the concrete footing to make sure our crane don't fall. Then, our friend truck crane will help us to put together a few sections. They are fixed together with the parts called mounting fingers. After a few segments are set, it's time to put a climbing section. Climbing section goes up and down. After that's done, it's time for operator's cap and a turntable, to which we will fix this long jeep, as well as the counter jeep in the back. Both parts are made on the ground and later put up. It's good we have our friend truck crane. It helps us a lot. It puts parts into the climbing section and the crane builds itself and gets higher and higher. Once it reaches the correct height, it stops. Because we're building a skyscraper, our crane should be very high.
Wow, BiBi, that is very interesting, especially now when everything goes according to plan. It's so great that you could help us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And so finally the crane was ready to build. Everyone is really happy. Soon the skyscraper will be finished, but until then, there's plenty of work to be done. So let's not be lazy and get back to work.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi helps the minivan. Say hi to minivan. This guy is a little clumsy and he always forgets things, especially important things. For example, he almost never visits a car wash or checks the repair shop. Sometimes he remembers things he's forgetting, but not always. Uh-oh. Well, looks like there's no other way around now.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here, clean so well. Paint, repair, or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. Here is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi fixes all disorders.
Whoa! Hi there! What happened to you?
And so the minivan told BiBi how he was in town, but then all of a sudden, a pedestrian jumped out of nowhere.
Oh no!
Minivan wanted to stop, but he simply couldn't do it so quickly. He lost control and flew right into the fence. Minivan said he didn't remember what happened, but he remembers the weird sounding creak before the accident.
Well, let's see. So I see what happened, and I think I know why. How come you still have studded tires? It's springtime, didn't you notice? That's why you heard that creak. Spikes was scratching against the surface. Also, you couldn't stop right away, because this type of rubber is much thinner. That's what caused your tire to burst, by the way. Don't worry. We'll change those and you'll be as good as new. First of all, we need to take off those wheels. We need a proper range for that. Let's see what options do we have. Guys, what type of range we should use, do you think?
This one, maybe?
Well, you can open a big door with it. But we can't really use it here.
What about this one?
Yep. This one's good for nuts, but not the type of nut we're dealing with.
Then it must be this one.
Yes! It's perfect for this type of job. Alright, looks like we're all set. Let's get ourselves some summer tires. That's weird. Not enough nuts. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like one's missing. Now where did I put it? Where could it be? Aha! Found it! Time to finish it up. Oh! What's up with your frame? Well, don't worry. We'll fix that too. Okay! Now everything is in its right place. You're ready to go, pal.
Minivan was so glad that BiBi helped him out. Of course, he was left a little ashamed of himself because he forgot to change the tires in time. But now he will remember for sure to come to BiBi every season.
Good luck. See ya.
Looks like our buddy learned his lesson. Nothing bothers him anymore. That's good. He's safe now. Well, almost. But that's a completely different story.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.